What is happening? Ah, fucking right on the top of my pissing head. I think we need to put stack exhausts on the Hijet. But first of all, I want to see what it sounds like without a back box on it. So first things first, I've got to get across the pond. Get the old topped on that JS3000 jump start man. Get her jumped. And get on the concrete. It's only 2 bolts to take the back box off. So we do that and we do a comparison of before and then after. Oh, it's quite hard to do it upside down. Fucking hell. Get in there, you slag. There we go. Put that in boost. Let's get her started. Nice. Let's go. She's living a dream. Christ. 1, 2. Buckle on my shoe. Oh, water. So let's start with the before. I just bashed my face so hard, I banged my head on that, and then it fucking face planted the fucking floor, and it wasn't even fucking recording, so you missed out on that. Oh man. So, oh fucking hell. Fucking that's gonna bruise. I'm having a bit of trouble getting this off. I can't get it. I can't get it. Oh, you motherfucker. Come on, you've nearly knocked me out. Let me get you. Oh, Mamma mia. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to get a breaker bar on it. Oh, oh mate, my fucking face hurts so much. That was a bad one, I can't lie. Ah, you're having a laugh, it doesn't even... Oh, fucking hell. How are you meant to fucking get this shit off then? This is ridiculous. Can I at least crack it from there? Maybe. Oh, come on. Fucking hell. I'm gonna have to get the grinder out, I think. Oh my god. That's got a fucking bruise, if it hasn't already. Let's have a look at me. Yeah, I looked alright. I ain't gonna die, I'll be alright. Yeah, that ain't... I don't think that's gonna come off. I might as well just cut the fucking thing off, I think. What's that? That'll be the cat, won't it? Do you know what? Do you know what? Let's just cut the fucking thing off, shall we? Fucking fuck this shit. This is a load of bollocks. Let's get the fucking grinder out. Much easier. Yeah. Yeah. Let me get the grinder. Right. Oh, always have these stupid ideas at stupid times of the day. Fucking off. Fucking off. Oh, we've going over in half an hour. And now look at me. Chopping the fucking car up. Not even the car I'm working on at the moment. Do I just try and go through that? Guess so. Do I want to get that out of the way? Ah! Yes! Let's go. Ow. Ow, there's no room. No, no. No, no. What is happening? Ah, fucking right on the top of my pissing head. Oh, shit me. Oh, fucking gearbox in the way. Oh, Golden Bennett. Come on. Come on. Fucking. Have a fucking day, boy. Fucking. Fuck me. There we go. Let's hold the evidence. Fucking hell, I don't think I need to fucking knock myself. I'm fucking bleeding on my head. Fucking hell, brother. Let's give it a go. Move this stuff out of the way. Well, I'll turn my mic off so you get proper sound coming through. other than the fact that I've got a hole in the top bed and a lump on the front bed, and the exhaust, what's left of the exhaust system is now hanging off, I'd say that was a pretty successful result. Let's get a little moving shot of it. So that is what a Hijet 660cc sounds like with no back box on it. I would say it's not too loud and it's not too quiet. I think that's a pretty good result today. So all I've got to do is start ripping this out, rebuilding the fucking thing, making it cool as shit, and get her back on the road and up for sale. So that's all for today. Thanks for